From the Office of Training, welcome to DTSC. This portion of the Human Resources Branch presentation will provide you with the basic information about the department's training function. The Office of Training works with internal and external trainers to deliver training to our employees. Topics include writing, analytical skills, training for trainers, crucial conversations, supervisor leadership training, and other general and technical skill. Training support and logistics include activities such as scheduling, promoting, recording, tracking, and reporting on training. We also arrange for contracts, equipment and supply needs, and post material on SharePoint. Facilitation services can be provided for a range of needs, such as basic meeting facilitation, team building, process improvement efforts, or problem solving. We provide consulting services relating to training needs identification and training development and delivery. The Office of Training processes all training request forms for the department. When anyone takes an external training class, a completed and approved DTSC 1106 form must be submitted to the Office of Training. This allows us to record and track training attendance as well as training costs. The Office of Training provides customer support services to all our employees. Examples include help with the Employee Training Center, the Learnport eLearning page, as well as providing copies of transcripts. Other responsibilities associated with running the training program include managing and tracking the department's training budget and establishing and managing training contracts with external entities, administering the Employee Training Center, where employees go to find and register for training and check their training transcripts, administering Learnport, the department's e-learning tool. It provides access to online videos, courses, and book extracts. Administering Toxics University, the department's streamlined training approval process that enables technical staff to attend no and low-cost training with less paperwork. Conducting training needs assessment on a periodic basis using input from management. These assessments help us identify specific training needs within the department so that we know what training to bring to DTSC. Through the delivery of training, we help our employees work smarter and more efficiently and effectively, which enables them to be successful and confident on the job. Anytime you attend an externally provided training, you need to submit a DTSC 1106 training travel request to the Office of Training. This does several things. First, it informs us of the costs associated with the training so we can record and track it in our budget. Second, it allows us to update your training records to reflect all the training you have attended. Even if there's no cost associated with the training, an 1106 is still needed so that we can record the training on your transcript. All training requests must be approved prior to registering for and attending training. After completing the training, the employee must sign the bottom of the DTSC's 1106 training request form, Section E, certifying that they have completed the course and return it to the Office of Training so we can record the completion. Regardless of costs, provider, or venue, attendance of all training must be approved by the immediate supervisor prior to registration and attendance. In addition to the DTSC 1106 training request form, a DTSC 1474 must be completed and approved for any training costing $100 or more, or that is free but requires travel involving an overnight stay or flight. The approved 1474 documents must accompany the 1106 in order for the Office of Training to process the request. One 1474 can be used for multiple individuals, but a separate 1106 is needed for each person attending the training. The Employee Training Center is where employees go to find and register for in-house training. It also allows employees and their supervisors to review transcripts. Learnport is the department's e-learning product. E-learning is a cost-effective, convenient, and timely way to take training as you need it, when you need it, and as it fits into your schedule. To the extent possible, e-learning should be the first course of action when attempting to fill a knowledge gap. We encourage you to work with your supervisor to identify the Learnport courses, videos, and books that will best assist you in becoming successful on the job. Toxics University was designed to provide a streamlined approval process for no and low-cost technical training. This program uses a blanket 1474 to cover all approved training proposals for technical training. The training can be either for external or in-house training. All programs requiring technical training can participate and use the blanket 1474. The Toxics University proposal must be approved by the program deputy director and provide details regarding the need for the training, who is taking the training, and specific logistical information. You can find the proposal template and other Toxics University resources on the training SharePoint site. This concludes the training portion of the Administrative Services New Employee Orientation.